There's a penny here. If it doesn't take bills, I'm not gonna play because I don't want to spend quarters. No, I'm not gonna play. I'm not putting in quarters in this. It's a guaranteed loss. I have too many vending machines I'm gonna go to.
I got 2 quarters, but 3 quarters. Let's see if Mom's got a quarter.
Is there a quarter machine over there? I wish I just took bills.
Maybe they got it for you.
Do you want to do the honors? Do you want to put it in?
Yeah, you could.
Here, I'm going to keep that bill, though. The thing is not working at all. They have it blocked. The machine's broke, in other words.
Okay.
So here, I'll take the $1 and then...
Yeah. Too bad, huh?
I wasn't going to win anyway, because it doesn't even clamp.
Rotate. Let's see, it rotates how you want it.
That's so it doesn't stab.
Yeah.
I've had better luck at E-Lot, though, in the last 5 years.
Okay.
I wish I could, but that's why they need to up the price and make it play to you win. I'll try this machine. $1. You know what? I was gonna play the buck, but I guess I'll just insert $1. That's lame. $1 for a little ball, but that's not gonna work. Credits 1. Okay, I got the ball. Oh crap. Wonder if you don't get a small prize. Oh, nope, you do. Sweet. Wait, it's giving me another... What? Come on. Let's see if it dispenses another ball. What if I got this for free? That's weird. Okay, I'll be right back. We are at the Howard's that started everything, okay? Everything started here, so... It's called Howard's Pizza. And this guy's only a quarter. These guys are a dime and a penny. Look. 1 cent. You said you wanted to come back, and we did. I just didn't think they would be stacked, because I'm so used to our vendor doing it every other year. Our machines are horrible at home. And I got my picture, too. See that? Is this the product bag? Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. So here, I'll do this guy here. Oh, I was hoping to get a fidget, but I got a 9. Not yet, Dad. I have to get my picks first. Unless they roll away. So there's that one. I'm gonna watch these videos, remember where I'm at. Here, let me play for this fidget one. Hey, can you do me a favor and open that one for me? The one on the right? Thank you. Have to have them categorized, or that's all. This one's good. Thank you. Because I'm working on like 4 different projects here. Okay, I don't know which one I played last time. Hopefully I'm playing all new ones. And then I just need... I need 3 quarters. Please. Thank you. Can't believe they were filled. I forgot that they fill these every week. Because I'm so used to the ones back at home that don't get filled every month. Hey, I got a bracelet like at the mall. Do I need 1 more quarter. I need to play this guy real quick. Here, can you get 1 more for me, please? And then I will get my picks. Thank you. Hopefully this guy's quicker than it was last week I was here. Don't get rid of the prizes yet. I'll just tell Ricky the machines were filled. I did not believe they would be at all. And this guy's really time consuming, but you just gotta have patience. You got that one. I already got that pick though, so I'm okay. Inserted in already. Got a jewelry thing. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Sweet, got that guy for free. See, a blue guy. I got this one, I think. Aren't you glad I didn't do it right away? Otherwise, I would have lost 75 cents. And then this one real quick. And that's the one that's gonna play. So, so where's the one roll with the 50 cents in it? What would you do, Dad? Play this one more time or just move on to this one? Okay, because usually I give them one more try. It's what I did with this one and it worked.
Which one do you want?
It says Hapo Little on it. You gotta turn it around. What's the note say? Nope, not that one. That's a Gisa. I don't even know how to read. What's that say? Hapo Little. Okay, that's what I need. That one worked.